Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if a USB drive is appearing in disk management but is not appearing in this PC on your Windows computer. So just for example, if we open up disk management here, you should be able to see your drive listed in here if for some reason it's not appearing underneath this PC through File Explorer. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve that. So it's just as simple as locating the USB on this list. Right click on it, left click on the option that says change drive letter and path, select the change option, and then change it to a different drive letter from this list, something that's not being used at the present time. So let's just say F, and let's select OK. Some programs that rely on the drive letters might not run correctly. Do you want to continue? Select yes. And now hopefully it should appear underneath this PC if you open up your computer, or File Explorer I should say. And there you go guys. So pretty straightforward tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.